My name is David Lawrence. I'm an architect practicing in Lake Worth, Florida, greater Palm Beach County area. This video is about the design of a house in Sunny Isles, Florida. This was an idea I had for showing people how a house gets designed. So we're going to start out in plan view first, and after we get the plan settled, then we'll move into showing you the massing and the finalizing of the elevation. So right now, it's obviously a two-car garage. This is the dining room area, 2 bedrooms. I probably will change this so that it's a full 2-bath. At present, what I'm doing is trying to get things worked out so that I'll have a laundry, powder room somewhere in here, stairs will be somewhere in here, and this is a living room, dining room, foyer, and family room, kitchen. Since you saw this last, let's just get rid of this stuff now. We finally got that stair pretty much put in the right place, and we've gotten this little breakfast nook worked out. We did away with the cabana bath. Okay, we're now watching some motion capture of me actually designing the house. I'm designing the house on Architectural Desktop 2006. What you're seeing here is just me refining the design. I'm going to probably put a air handler closet in that laundry room, and then we'll move over to the bigger idea, which is while I've been designing the house, I've been struggling with how to get the dining room and the front bedroom even, so that the front of the house will have an even mass and appearance. And in order to do that, I've had to remove the closets that I originally had in the design to the right of the plan. And to get those closets back in, I'm going to have to push the back bedroom out, as you can see in this clip here, where I'm mimicking the shape of the breakfast nook, and then I'll push the bedroom down, and that'll allow me to get the walk-in closets and the 2 bathrooms, linen closet and air handling closet between the 2 bedrooms. Now, one of the things that I would want to mention to this is, as I said, this is you're watching this at about 3 times as fast as it happens. If I were to show it at true rate, it would be probably pretty boring to look at. But it's not a linear process when you design the house. As you can see, I'm jumping around, looking at different parts of the house. I see things that need to be fixed, go and make adjustments to them. For instance, now I'm going to adjust that column and center that up on the back porch there in just a moment. But it is a linear process, and it's a non-linear process, and it takes a long time to get things thoroughly worked out. So I wouldn't want anyone to think this is a quick thing by looking at this video. Here's just to give you another example of working on the plan. This is in the 2nd floor around the master bath area. One of the things I've worked hard to try to do is, since the entrance to the master bedroom sits at the top of the stairs, I've tried to hold the entranceway back from the edge of that stair, give it a sense of arrival. And here you can see I'm refining the actually designing the bathroom. Right now I'm just putting in the shower. And one of the things that I've worked on here is to try to find, or you'll see that I start to put in a closet that separates the entrance to the master bedroom from the other bedroom that's to the left of it. This is to make that master bedroom feel special. And you can see there in the plan that closet's in there, and that's the final version of that. Here I am putting in another air handler closet. And I've flared those closets out at the end so that the hallway's shorter. Here I am fiddling around with that linen closet again, seeing if I want to make it smaller, but I ultimately decide to put it back as I had it. And that's now I'm just putting some windows in to show the client. They're just in the general location. When I get to the elevations, I'll refine those further. This is the final plan here, and this is where we're talking about keeping the front bedroom even with the dining room area, so that that mass stacks upright. In the front, that's the front porch there, coming into the foyer, dining room on the right, living room, first bedroom, walk-in closet, bathroom, walk-in closet, linen, air handler. The dotted lines indicate the bridge, connecting bridge on the second floor. That stair is open to the living room area, so that'll show nice. Powder room folded under the stair. Garage, laundry room, you can see I folded back the edge of that air handler closet to get the water heater inside the garage. There's the kitchen with the eating counter, opening onto the great room, which has nice windows out to the pool. There's the breakfast nook, and there's the loggia. Now let's go to the second floor. We have a balcony that serves those front two bedrooms. Foyer and living room open to below. Those are two-story volumes. As you see, I'm trying to make that, give myself some room there at the top of the stair to that doorway to the master bedroom. There's that closet we talked about, separating those two doorways. And then once you come in, I wanted to create a sense of arrival, so I've created, flared out those walls in the area right when you come in. There's the air handlers, two walk-in closets. Come into the master bath. I've kind of folded a little poche wall there for the door to die against. Shower, tub, sink, toilet room. You come down the hall. As I said, I flared those corners to make that hallway feel shorter. And from the original plan, I played around with where those French doors are to center it up more in the room and open it onto that balcony, which will be nice. And I have an entrance onto that balcony from that back bedroom. The first and second floor plan in this area are pretty much the same, with the exception of where we have those doors that go out onto the front balcony. So that's pretty much the plan. It's 4,500 square feet. I hope you enjoyed watching that. The next video will be elevation refinements, and we'll be looking at things in 3 dimensions once the client signs off on this plan. Visit our website, www.dlarchitect.com, or our blog listed below. Thanks for joining us.